promise not to cause harm again.
Yes.
You said you promised. But Poland is shit. You bit. Guys, it's Ramadan.
We're the only ones left attacked.
We need UK.
Why am I blue?
I don't know.
I'm alive, I'm making G Britain.
We're saved.
Enough land for now.
First Nazi, now Russia.
Germany wanna split Poland again?
Sure.
But first, I'ma make us her long live Joseph Stalin.
We're fucking screwed.
Fuck.
Sorry guys, I didn't upload for a long time. I was gonna upload in the 17th of April, but my battery was for %. Sub for PT5.